If you've been trying to clip your YouTube videos into shorts and you can't find the remix button, it's not gone. YouTube just moved it. So I'm going to show you exactly where it is now, along with a complete updated workflow for turning your long form videos into shorts so you can get more views on both of them. Now, in order to get there, we're in the YouTube mobile app, and then I am on the You tab on the lower right there. So you should see the word You and your profile picture. And then I'm going to click on Your Videos. You can only remix your own videos in this way. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on the video that I want to turn into the short. And then I'm going to click that share arrow underneath the video right there. And then you can see it says remix. And I'm going to choose edit into a short. And then that opens into the interface that you need. If you don't see it there either today or in the future, it's generally going to be one of three things. One, the video can't be private or unlisted. You cannot remix a video that's in that state, so you got to shift your video to public. Number two, if there is a copyright strike against the audio on that video, you will not see the remix button. And number three, there's actually a setting where you can turn off the ability to remix your own video. So make sure that it is turned on in your settings. Now, as you make these, there's a semi-hidden feature that you can actually get way more views on both your shorts and your long form videos. So let me walk you through the updated workflow for this really quickly. So again, from the You tab in the YouTube mobile app, you're going to click on your videos and then tap on the video that you want to remix. Click that share button underneath, choose remix and edit into a short. The first step, very important, at the very top where it says 15S, tap on that so it changes to 60S. That's basically going to give you more room to play with, unless you know your clip is only going to be 15 seconds or less. Now, once you're in here, you can drag these white bars to the section of the video that you want. And if it's something later in the video, you can swipe in between the bars to do that. Or you can see you've got a full scrub bar here at the top, which is probably a little bit easier to use. One thing worth knowing, this layouts button down at the bottom, if we tap that, first it's going to process for a second to clip down your longer video. But then as soon as it loads, you're going to see different layouts that you can give it. And so let me show you two that you might actually use. One, you could choose square, in which case maybe you want it to be square because you want to add text or something at the bottom or the top of it. But this is my favorite way to use it. This split two option basically splits the screen in two for a short. And what you can do with this is you can pinch to zoom or just use one finger to drag to adjust it. And then you can change what shows at the top of your video. So I might put just the video clip there. And then at the bottom, I might show my graphic, or this also works great if you have a screen recording like that. So once you've got it the way you want, just hit continue. Or if you didn't use layouts, the button just says done. And now here is our short so far. Now, once you're here, you can add music, text, things like that. Now, if you've never made a short before, I've got a full tutorial on how to do that. I'll link up to it at the top of the video or down in the description. You can watch that next. Once you hit next, you can add a caption and all kinds of other settings, but you want to use this related video feature right here. There's two parts to this. One, tap on it, and then you can link back to the video that you actually pulled the clip from. So for me, that's that one. But what that's going to do is it's going to put a little play button at the bottom of your short that looks like this, where people can go from watching your short back to your long form video. Not all shorts viewers realize that related video feature is there, so you're going to get way more views on your long form video if you add this to the end of your short. When you're in this screen, click that back button, and you'll see now it has opened up my shorts camera again, and then I could add a clip onto the end, and this is exactly what I would say. If that clip was helpful, click the little play button down below for the full video right now. Hit stop. And now that clip has been added to the end of this short. Now, one of the most frustrating parts of this is YouTube only lets you do this on a mobile device. However, I found an easy way to do it on a computer using another one of my favorite tools. Click the video on the screen right now, and I'll walk you through it.